one, I have the silver one is coming. I believe also I'm needing to purchase. Maybe we'll see. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. I'm going to stay as quiet as I can, but it's impossible. Absolutely. I'm loving it. It looks so gorgeous in blue, but it does suit him so well. So excited. Oh, it is so cute. I love every one of them. My bias son, isn't he adorable? Oh, he looks so handsome. I think I'm over the moon right now. I am wanting to scream so bad, but I can't. Oh, thank God. What are you guys doing to me right now? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, good. Why are so they adorable, amazing, handsome, and insanely handsome? Like, look. I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. And then the soundtrack, all of it, and then the CD in the back. That's that one. And then, are you ready for the card? I'm so excited. I got signed. I'm so happy. Okay, ready for the next one? I'll take it. Yes. And then this one. Look, he's so handsome. And then the little sticker. Oh, I'm sorry. I saw that one. I'm not supposed to see. I saw that one. I got Mingi. I got two of my bias. I'm so happy. I am so happy right now. Okay. One more. Oh, cow. Cow. I'll take that one. Oh, and then we have his photo card. Amazing. One more. Of everyone. I love it. And then we have this little paper that we can play. That looks so cool. That's the first part. I am happy with that one. That was a good opening. That means I don't have to buy another one. Happy. Putting the digital album one. So let's get into I'm sorry. I didn't see nothing. I didn't see nothing. I didn't see nothing. So amazing. Ooh, the outfit. He totally made that. Yes. Okay. Time for the photo card time. So happy. I got sign. Wait, I thought you were supposed to get sign. Especially if it's like digital pack. Especially from the member. I'm not supposed to get him though. But I got sign. I'll take it. I'll take it. The more the merrier. Okay, one more. Wooyoung. Got Wooyoung. Oh yes, I finally got him. That looks so good. That's the front and this is the back. There should be a photo of him. A small poster. I love it. So I did got him. I got him plus I got person. Yes! Lastly, I have Wooyoung. Digital packs. We'll see if I got Mingi this time. If he's in there. I cannot wait. I'm praying that I will get him. As usual. Oh, I didn't see nothing. I should be careful. Of the outfit. Nailed it. That's so handsome. Whoever the artist is, they nailed it. That is so amazing. And all of the members. Of course, Wooyoung. Yeah. I got Wooyoung too. I'm so excited. There's one more. I'll take it. I'll take it. The captain is the captain. I think I got two of him. Okay. He has a little bit of a different pose. But I love it. It's still cute. And I got Wooyoung. Love it. Front and the back. I'm so happy. I can't contain my joy. And then I have one more. I got Corist. I'm so new at this group. But I do listen to some of this song, like the red one. I'm so new. I got this from the Walmart exclusive version. Let's get into it. Let's see who I gets. To be honest, I'm happy whoever I gets. My friend was the one who introduced me to it. So, love the way it is. Oh, is that it? Love the organization. I'm trying to be so quiet, sorry. Love the caption. That looks so amazing. Yes. I hope you guys can still see. Ooh. That looks so amazing. I have this one. capture the moment so well. I wish it could show like better on the camera, but yeah. Can you see it? They all has a different pose. I'm trying to flip this too fast. Love it. I love the stylish, the careless, not careless, but carefree, if you know what I mean. You know, at least they still enjoy themselves and playing music and dancing. That's what I love. Like, I love that each K-pop is unique of its own way, and nothing wrong with that. That's the reason why I love the K-pop in the first place. All of them. Another one. It looks so amazing. Like the hat is so cute. Oh, wow. Ooh, that is so awesome. That is awesome, I meant to say. Almost like he's trying to escape. Love the caption right there. Oh, can you see it? Sorry. Ooh, yes, right there. Okay, okay. Oh, yes. Love the hoodie. Ooh. I don't know who this is. I only love him. Oh. You know, he looked like a guy who would have a pretty deep voice. For example, like Felix, maybe. So beautiful. I mean, they are so amazing. Oh no, sorry. Oh, that was the front page of that one. That's so amazing. They're almost as if they're giving me this spoiler alert. So I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. I wonder whether they took this photo. It's so good. Oh, and it's a soundtrack. Oh, I'm so sorry. We have the soundtrack. Ooh, it is in Korean. So I have listened like to the red and red one. I'm not sure about TNT. Have you listened to that one yet? I think that might be the only one that I listened to. The red and red. I promise I'll listen to the rest of Ooh, I love it. It's magnetic. That's a good growling right there. That can put on any. They did really best on that one. I love that. I don't know who he is, but he's so adorable. I love it. Okay, one more. Oh, that is so cool. This is the reason why I love K-pop, guys. Sorry. I think that it 3 cards. I'm happy. But yes, thank you so much for joining me on this quiet opening. I know. I was just super excited I could continue. And I'm so sorry about for the long wait and everything. I was just trying to get the funds for SAN. Everywhere I go, Target, Barnes Noble, online. Even online is all sold out. I just want every one of them. Oh, I mean, especially SAN and Mingi. I couldn't get none, so I'm like, why can't I get it? So, thankfully I didn't. I finally got what I needed. I got GreenGreen. I'm sorry.